Hey, what's up guys? It's Sneaker Rehab. So today I'm finally doing my coilover install. I got the ISC coils over here. They're all set to go. Starting to do the coils now. It's pretty easy. A couple bolts. They're probably gonna be tight as shit, but it's alright. Then just remove the 3 bolts on top. It should be all set. Hey, what's up guys? So sorry about the little voiceover. What happened was my camera died and everything shut off. So right now I'm just going to show you a few pictures of what the setup looks like with the coilovers. So right now you're looking at my wheels. They're the Work Emotion 11Rs and a candy purple with a nice sparkle to it, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sports 255 4018. I really love this setup. I really love the way silver and purple goes together. Got some accents that aren't purple. And next clip, that's where you see the car. So it sits really nice. It's a really nice track stance, and I love it. It rubs a little bit, but I'm going to get my fenders rolled actually tomorrow. By the time this video is up, it will be all set. So I just wanted to show you guys these clips. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be of my exterior mods, my diffuser and everything. So right now I just want to show you a little overview of my suspension and wheel setup. And next video I'll show you guys a whole bunch of other stuff. Alright, so take care guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, rate, like, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram for everything. Alright, at the Sneaker Rehab. Alright guys, peace.